duty. Dignified principal sir, senior coordinator sir, learned teachers and all my dear friends, good morning. A new morning is a new beginning and a new hope. We need to give full efforts to achieve our goals. There is no shortcut to achieve success. A small positive thought can change our life. So for thought, I would like to hand over the mic to Manas and Viraj. Good morning to everyone present over here. Today's thought is, if you can put your hard work towards something, anything is possible. It can be achieved through your determination. The meaning of the thought is, there is nothing impossible for the one who believes in hard work and dedication. With hard work and commitment, anyone can turn their dreams into reality. Thank you. Thank you for such a motivational thought. We must stay up to date about economical and political news and current affairs. But in hustle bustle of life, we do not get time. So for news, I would like to invite Arav Joshi. A very glorious morning to one and all present over here. I am Arav Joshi, today's SKPT news reporter. Today's news headlines are: International news. SpaceX to get $73 million investment for South Korea for Meerut asset. National news. Ola Electric to produce domestic lithium-ion cell by 2023. Some school news quiz competition will be held today under CCA activity. Thank you. Thank you, Arav, for such a well-informed news. Making the habit of learning new words and putting them into practice always go to learn to increase our brain capacity and expand our mind to the world around us. So for mannerism, I would like to invite Pushparaj, Aman and Viraj. Good morning to one and all. Today our class 8 test will show you some mannerism. Let's start.
Don't smack your lips while eating.
No, it is not right way. The right way is please don't smack your lips while eating.
Friends, please repeat after us.
Please don't smack your lips while eating. Move aside.
No, it is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is no.
Friends, please repeat after us.
Do you mind moving aside? Thank you.
Prepared a small skit, so please listen it carefully. Once Dhirubhai Ambani said, if you don't build your dreams, someone else will hire you to help them there. In the series of a presentation on the topic, if you can dream it, you can do it. Our class 8 Ellen with 100% participation is going to present a story about how a man who works on petrol pump became the topmost billionaire of India. Today we will present you the story of Dhirubhai, the story of Reliance. Yes friends, Reliance is the part of the Fortune 500 companies, and yes, 70 years ago it was just a dream. Characters of skit are Saransh as Dhirubhai Ambani, Yogesh Champaklal Damani, Akshat as advisor, and Aman as Dhirubhai's father. In the first scene you will see of times when Dhirubhai had to leave his studies because of some financial problems.
Nowadays it is becoming really difficult to manage house expenses. See how petrol is becoming very expensive.
Papa, you don't worry. One day your son will buy all the petrol pumps for you.
To help his family, he started selling fruits to earn 5 rupees per day.
If I really want to search a solution for all my financial problems, so lack of money, lack of guide, this excuses will not be cutted. I will do the best with the available resources.
Dhirubhai always believed in dreaming so big that if it comes true, so it can change your life. Next lesson that we can learn from Visionary is, don't be afraid of taking risks. In 1958, Dhirubhai left his job from petrol pump and came to the city of dreams, Mumbai. Then he did partnership with Champaklal Damani. Dhiru, our business is going quite well. Our spice business is giving unexpected returns.
Dear friend, my dream is bigger than 350 square feet office. We have to expand our business.
Everything is going quite well. We are making quite decent profit as well. Why should we take a new risk right now?
No, we have to take risk.
He left the partnership and took all the risk himself, and again he started from zero.
The name of the company will be Reliance Commercial Corporation.
Reliance has many businesses such as textile industries, petrochemicals, and the list is endless. Dear friends, it wasn't a random risk, but it was a calculated risk after understanding market and its capability. Today, Reliance is 13 lakh crore company. In the next scene, you will see conversation between Dhirubhai Ambani and the advisor. You should expand your business in the big cities of India. What is there in the poor villages of India?
Dear friend, I spent my whole childhood in villages. The people of the villages are truly ambitious. By expanding the villages, we can develop the whole country.
And now we are at the end, and at last I want to say you dare to be different, because different is beautiful. Thank you for being attentive and mindful perceivers. Thank you.